Hi guys, welcome to our channel Brain TV. Today we will show you how to recycle your old t-shirt and transform it into a bag.
Cut a round square shape and the neckline.
Cut strips.
Tie the strips together to create the bottom of the bag.
Turn the bag inside out.
Here is a simple way to make a change to save our Earth. Plastics are harmful to everyone and everything. Land, ocean, plants, animals, and us. You can stop using plastics and create your own bag.
We have a super cute tote bag that is ready for the store, gym and beach. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed, guys. If you want more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. See you soon.